remember when we are selecting we are giving the client the participant, who which is the client, the options. You have specific answers that they have to choose. Okay, so here we will choose string, whereby the categories, the measure is ordinal. Okay, the measure is ordinal because we have the specific categories that they have to choose, their level of satisfaction. Okay, remember, as indicated in this Excel sheet, we have the scores. Okay, the linked scale, whereby 1 to maybe 3. Okay, then we have 4 to maybe 6. Okay, then we have 7 to maybe 8. Okay, then we have 9 to 10. Okay, we have the 4 categories, whereby this is low satisfaction, okay, moderate satisfaction, satisfied, and very satisfied. Okay, these shows that the defined categories. Okay, this is what the customers are being given to choose. So you can see that our type of data here is going to be string. Okay, because what they are given is not the values. Okay, they are given the level of satisfaction. Okay, then from there you choose your level of satisfaction. Okay, so it's either you are very unsatisfied as a customer, moderate satisfied, or very satisfied. So as we proceed to our satisfaction variable, you can see that it is string. I've indicated why it is string, and then it is ordinal. Okay, now we have to define our variables. Okay, just as we have defined them here. Okay, we have to define them like this. So we see that 1 to 3 is low satisfaction. Okay, then we add 4 to 6 is moderate satisfaction. Okay, then we have 7 to 8 is satisfied. Okay, then we have lastly 9 to 10, it is very satisfied. And we can check the spellings. Maybe I've just seen here. Yeah, so we have defined our values here. Okay, whereby we have this scale, as you can see, the linked scale. Okay, then the last one, policy types. Okay, we have 3 specific policy types, which in this case is also string. Okay, because the customer has to choose on whether they have the basic, we have the standard, and the premium. Okay, so they have to choose from these 3. So you can see it is the string variable, not numeric. When we are we're defining the value, that is where we have 1 for the basic. Okay, 2 for the standard, and then 3 for the premium. Okay, so that's it. This is how you define the data. As you can see, we have defined our data. When you hit this button, this is how our values are going to be aligned. Thank you very much.